Hello viewers, and today for you I have a lot of eBay coins. This is a set of 17 bimetallic coins from different foreign countries. I purchased this batch at $13.87. So let's open it up, see what we got. And here we have a package within a package again. God, I love when they do this. And there's no just easy way to get into here. And there we go, 17 bimetallic coins. Okay, we have all the coins laid out here, and starting in the top row right here, we have a 2 Kina coin from Papua New Guinea. It's a 2008. Next coin we have is a 5 Rand from South Africa, also a 2008. The next coin is a Morocco 10 dirhams from 2016. Next coin is going to be also Morocco, a 5 dirham coin from 2015. Next coin is going to be a coin from Malawi, a 5 kwacha coin, 2006. Next one is going to be a Rwanda 10 amafaranga coin, next coin is going to be a Rwanda 100 amafaranga coin, also known as a 100 franc coin from 2007. Okay, and the final coin in the row there is a Mozambique 10 meticais from 2012. On the next row we have 2 coins from Turkey. The first one is going to be a 1 lira from 2018, and the next one is going to be a 50 kurush from 2018. Next coin is going to be Bahrain 100 fils from 1997. And then the final one in that row is going to be a Finland 10 marka coin from 1993. And then in the final row we have a Mexico 10 pesos from 2004. Next one's going to be a Mexican 5 pesos from 2001. Next one's going to be a Mexican 1 pesos from 2001. The next coin is going to be a Colombian 1,000 pesos from 2020. Next coin is going to be a Peru 2002 2 soles coin. And then the final coin there is going to be a Jamaica $20 coin from 2022. I'll give you a little closer look at all the coins here. Here's the Papua New Guinea 2 Kina coin. And there's the reverse side. And here's the South African 5 Rand coin from 2008. It's a picture of Nelson Mandela on the back. Here's the Morocco 10 dirhams coin from 2016. And here on the reverse of the 10 dirham coin is the fortress of Budmane to Dades, with a palm tree at the left, with the large value at right. Here's the Morocco 5 dirhams coin from 2015. And on the reverse, you have a very nice pattern there. That is the Mosque of Hassan II on the back of the coin. Okay, this is a 5 kwacha, 2006, from Malawi. And on the front there we have the state arms, and the lettering there below the state arms says translated Unity and Freedom. And I'll show you the reverse. And on the reverse, this is the fisherman at work with date above and value below. This is a Rwanda 100 amafaranga coin, or 100 francs coin. And on the front there we have the coat of arms of Rwanda, and the motto is Unity, Work, Patriotism. And on the reverse has the denomination and the year, 100 amafaranga. And here we have the Mozambique 10 Medicais coin from 2012. And on the front there we have the central bank logo surrounded with the date below. And on the back, on the reverse, we have the central bank building of Mozambique. This is a Turkey 1 lira coin from 2018. And on the reverse we have the denomination 1. And in the background is a ruby motif. This is a Turkey 50 kurush coin. And on the reverse of the 50 kurush coin, we have the Istanbul suspension bridge over the Bosphorus Strait that links Asia with the European continent. This is a 100 fils coin from Bahrain. And on the front we have the coat of arms of the state of Bahrain and the country's name in Arabic above and English below, with dates both in Islamic and Gregorian dates. And I'll show you the reverse. And it has the denomination on the back boxed with circles surrounded by a chain border. Okay, this is the Finland 100 marka 1993 coin. And on the front face we have a capercaillie bird within the circle and the date above. And it has Suomi, which is the Finnish word for Finland. And on the back we have the denomination and rowan branches and berries. The next 3 coins we have are Mexican coins, a 10 pesos, 5 pesos, and 1 pesos from 2004, and the other 2 are from 2001. And I'll show you the reverse. And here we have the reverse of the Mexican coins. And on the 10 pesos, in the center, is the circle of the Aztec sunstone representing Tonatiuh with the fire mask. In the peripheral ring at the top center is the value. This is a Colombian 1,000 pesos coin from 2020. And on the reverse we have the country name over value. and date below. There's a latent image in the center with the initials BRC or MIL, depending on the angle of the view, which is right in the center below the word pesos there. There is microtext at the bottom of the coin that translates to "Take care of the water." Repeated consecutively, alternating upright and inverted. I guess we can't really see that. And on the reverse of the coin, we have the loggerhead turtle facing right. If I would orient the coin correctly, the loggerhead turtle facing right. And microtext at the bottom of the coin translates water repeatedly, consecutively, alternating upright and inverted. And here we have a Peru to Solis coin, 2002. And it has the coat of arms of Peru on the front. And on the back, the number 2 with the denomination. And that little pattern that is to the left of the 2 is the Nazca lines pattern of a hummingbird. Very nice, surprising pattern on a coin. And the final coin we have today is a Jamaica $20 coin from 2022. And on the front it has the coat of arms of Jamaica and a legend on the outer ring. And on the reverse, we have the head of Marcus Garvey facing right and forward. In the lettering it says the excellent Marcus Garvey, national hero. I believe he was the first president of Jamaica. So overall, a really nice collection I got here for $13.87. And so far, it looks like it's going to be valued at $23.40 for the entire collection. But really some nice coins overall. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. And as always, I'll put in the next screen the list of the coins.